Well, we have another series of awards to give out and to recognize a number of people who have been instrumental in the progression of the CEDAR program, and that's to recognize all of the CEDAR steering chairs. And it's to recognize the chairs who have been leading the community at times and asked to step forward and for the most part volunteer their time to take on the task of seeing CEDAR through and going forward with the CEDAR program in the many facets of the CEDAR program. Prior to recognizing the CEDAR chairs, though, I'd like to see all of the those that have participated on the CEDAR steering committee to please stand over the years. The committee is usually made up of about 13 people per year, and they rotate throughout. And it's great to see the cross-section of the community here who have, again, dedicated their time. And I'd like just to recognize all of them and thank you very much. I think it is prestigious to serve on the committee, and it's something that you get to give back, and it's a nice way to participate, to really get integrated into a program, and to have an impact. So it's great, and we'll continue this tradition of having a steering committee on the order of about 13, and we'll have new members joining the committee on Thursday. So to recognize over the years all of the CEDAR chairs that have served, we have awards. I think it's 12 CEDAR chairs. We're not giving one to John Foster yet, since he'll be taking over. Then you can do whatever you want, John. You can take them all back or something. And so we'd like to do this from the first CEDAR chair and onward. So the first CEDAR chair in 1987 to 1988, Jerry Romick come up and receive his award for being the first CEDAR chair. The second chair that served from 1988 to 1990 was Tim Colleen. Tim couldn't make it tonight. He actually had plans to be here, but he got called off to France. He's the Geo Directorate at NSF, and so unfortunately he couldn't attend. But he sends his best wishes to the program. CEDAR chair was Chet Gardner, 1990 to 1992. Chet couldn't make it as well, but he again sends his wishes and thanks for the recognition of the award. The fourth was Mike Kelly. I haven't seen Mike, so we'll send that to the mail to Mike. He served from 1992 to 1994. Our fifth chair, right there, coming up, is Jeff Forbes. So Jeff served from 1994 to 1996, and Jeff's here. You know, Jeff still has, Michael, you gave him the gavel? He still has that on his wall. So when Michael transitioned, wait, why did that go that way? Why did you give Jeff as a remembrance? Very nice. Wait, we did this backwards. I gave Jan something. I gave Jan something when I transitioned. Nobody told me that they were supposed to give me something. So Michael Mandillo from 1996 to 1997. You gave a tie.
I think we gave a tie.
And then you gave Jeff Forbes the box. The empty box. You did, yeah. You gave him the empty tie box. Because you knew that, because because you knew that Jeff would never. This is what Cassandra reminded me today. She said that Jeff wouldn't wear a tie to any while he was chair during any CEDAR meeting or anything like that, and so you gave him the tie box, which was empty. Yeah. Our next chair following Michael was Joe Salah from 1997 to 1999. Joe, did you give Michael anything?
I gave Michael a Red Sox hat.
A Red Sox hat.
Thank you.
Our next chair following Joe was Cassandra Feasten from 1999 to 2001. Following Cassandra was Roger Smith from 2001, 2003, along with his perfect attendance. Roger, did you get Cassandra anything?
Oh, I think it was a bunch of flowers.
Flowers, nice. Following Roger was Sixto Gonzalez from 2003 to 2005. Sixto would absolutely love to be here. Unfortunately, he's a little limited in travel presently, and he's doing okay, but his health is not that great. I don't know all the details, but we wish him the best. And you know, he was one of the early. He was a CEDAR student, and a CEDAR student that came on early and strong, and became CEDAR chair early on. So, and then he's done similar kinds of things down at Arecibo. So he's been quite successful, and I hope the best for him and his health. Following Sixto was Jan Soika from 2005 to 2007. Yeah, I don't know who's gonna. So as of this Thursday, I'll be the. Is that the 13th or 12th? I'll be the 12th. I'll be in the history books as the 12th CEDAR chair, going from 2007 to 2010. So.
And maybe we should have John give this to you.
Yeah, John, why don't you come up here? Now, nobody told me. See, this whole gift thing has really got me kind of, you know. Nobody told me. So in transition to 2007, I gave Jan a gift, which I thought that was the proper way to you know, recognize all of his work, you know, and all the hard stuff and everything, and hand him a nice. I got him a stone plaque. I forget what it said. What did it say?
Thanks, Jan.
I just said thank you and, you know, whatever. Recognize him for the CEDAR chair. But I really, you know, I guess I was supposed to, you know, not supposed to do that. And was that correct? No, everyone's been giving it to the chair. Oh, that's right. Oh, so I am okay. Sorry, I completely. It's time for me to step down. Okay.
So, Jeff, you have to come on this side. Hey, I'm off the hook totally. I've already got a gift for this guy.